Hey guys, I hope you're having a good day. Today we are going to do lesson 6-6 on inequalities in two triangles. It's very similar to what we did yesterday, so I think you'll find it fairly easy. We're going to start with the notes, the concept review over the theorems, and then I'll make a second video for the practice problems. So you should be starting on the notes page, we'll do it together, and then click on the next video for the practice problems. Okay, so starting here at the bottom of the page, 6-6, inequalities in two triangles. Now, we are finishing up this packet today. You will actually turn it in after the test on Thursday or Friday, whichever day you're taking the test. So just know that you should have it all filled in after today's lesson, and if you don't, go back and watch the videos to fill it in. So we're doing 6-6, inequalities in two triangles. We are learning about the hinge theorem. Now, the hinge theorem is similar to what we did yesterday. Like I said, what we're going to do is we're going to look at these two triangles here. And now with these triangles have two congruent sides. So this side is equal to this one, and this side is equal to this one. When this happens, then you can compare this angle to determine which side right here is longer than the other one. So here this says 35 degrees, so this correlates with that angle, and this says 88 degrees. This side correlates with that one. So in this case, this is shorter and this is longer. We'll just use B for bigger. So then comparing these two side lengths, we can say that WX is greater than ST, segment ST. Okay, and then the second theorem is the converse of that. Again, if you have two congruent sides, so if this side is congruent to this one and this side is congruent to this one, then you can use this side length to compare these angles. So this side length corresponds with this angle, this side length corresponds with this one, so therefore this would be a smaller angle and this would be a bigger one. So we can say that angle C is greater than angle F. Okay, so there's a couple practice problems right here, number 3 and 4. So looking at this example, it shows that this side is equal to this one. Great. Then we can also say that this is equal to itself because of the reflexive property. We see a side length here of 39 and 42. Now 39 is smaller than 42, so that means this angle is smaller and this angle is bigger. So we can say that measure of angle 1 is greater than the measure of angle 2. And remember, if you consider this an alligator, remember from elementary school, it always wants to eat the bigger value. Then number 4. Again, you have to have two congruent sides on each of them, two matching sides, got it. Now we have a side that's 13 and 14, 13 smaller, so that means this angle would be smaller and this one would be bigger. So angle 2 is now greater than angle 1, or measure of angle 1 is less than measure of angle 2. Okay, so that's all for the notes. Now we're going to move on to the practice problems.